Nagdo-drawing ka na since elementary, dapat mamaw ka na ngayon. Hi, I'm Ivy. Welcome to my series called Work of Art, Episode 2, Color by Numbers, while I do story time about my creative burnout. Since elementary, I really enjoy things anything na related sa art. Yung tipong kapag may project sa school, laging napagkakamala na pinapagawa ko lang daw. Kahit ako lang naman talaga mahilig mag-drawing at magkutingting sa pamilya namin. Hindi ako yung tipong araw-araw nagpa-practice mag-drawing. Talagang nag-enjoy lang as bata. Not until nung senior high school ako, nag-drawing ako ng portrait and I admit, hindi nga kagandahan. Tapos, sinabihan ako ng kaklase ko na, nagdo-drawing ka na since elementary, dapat mamaw ka na ngayon. I took it as a challenge at first. Kaya nung nag-college ako, nadala ko yun. Kailangan kong mag-strive to be the best. Mahal ko yung ginagawa ko. Pero nung tumagal, puro deadlines and I always drew. Not because it's fun anymore, but because I have to impress props and classmates. And that thing leads me to burnout. Hanggang wala na lang akong pake. Hindi na ako gumagawa. I despise any form of creation. Result, walang natatapos. Puro puro save ng inspo na hindi ko naman ulit titignan. Ilang taon na ganun. Ito, I took a step out and I made this series na work of art para dito ko ibuhos yung time na nasayang. And to create things na hindi ako pressured, just pure fun. And while doing this, nagkaroon ako ng realization na maybe hindi lahat ng nasa creative field needs to strive to be the best. We exist because we love what we do. We do it to express, to have fun, and just for the sake of solely creating. Ayun, I wasted so much time not doing the things I am passionate about dahil mas nakinig ako sa sinasabi ng iba kaysa sa sigaw ng puso ko. Yun lang. Uy, tapos na.